adding comments into cell. Comments are used to add a note or explain a formula in a cell. Comments in a sheet can edit, delete, show or hide as per our requirements. Here given employee salary details. The top of the column heading, we can see the comments. Example, PT 5% basics as professional tax is the comment given. Then EPF added the comment 10% basics as provident fund. Then total salary, we can see total salary including basic DHR and other allowance. And in net salary, we can see calculation which salary, which columns are to be added and which columns are to be reducted. To edit a comments, position cursor in the cell contain the comment, right button, edit comments or edit comments. We can edit the comments. To edit net salary, click on net salary, edit comments. To delete the comments, click on the cell contain the comments, delete or right button, delete comments. Next one, protect sheet. This feature is for protecting a sheet partially or fully. It prevents users from accidentally or deliberately changing, moving or deleting data in a worksheet. This feature works by locking the cells and protect with a password. In this data, we can learn the method of protection. First of all, protecting the sheet. First of all, protecting the sheet as a whole. Example, click on protect sheet, give a password, give the same password again. Protection icon, we can say unprotect sheet. Then I'm checking is it protected or not. I'm typing some letters. No, it is not allowed. And the numerical data I'm checking. Okay, it is not allowed. Then empty area I'm checking. No, it is not allowed. By this way we can protect a sheet fully. To unprotect this sheet again, unprotect sheet, give the password. Okay, it is unprotected. Then I'm writing some data. Okay, it is allowed. I'm changing the given data. Okay, it is allowing. Okay, it is now allowing. Protecting data partially, it is slightly different and you have some more tasks to do. Example, I will show you how to do partially protection. First of all, I'm selecting all cells, home, format to cells, protection. I am clearing the log. Okay, the first one. Second one, I am selecting cells to be protected. Hold on control. Again I am going to home, format to cell. I am giving log. It means selected areas are to be protected, so it is given the log. Then I'm going to review protect sheet, giving the password, giving the same password. Here clear the selection. Now I'm checking is it protected or not. Okay, it is protected. Then heading, it is protected, it is protected, it is protected. In unprotected area, then I'm changing this data. Okay, it is allowed. I am changing the allowances. Okay, it is allowed. In empty area, we can enter the data. By this way, we can partially protect a worksheet.